Alfredo Carbonetti, or the Spaceman. He is an astrophysicist, he's a journalist, science journalist, and today he's going to answer all our cosmic questions. So please join with me and welcome Alfredo.
Hello. As I've been introduced, I'm Dr. Alfredo Carbonetti, and today we're gonna look at some crazy cosmic questions. It's very important in science to always keep questioning, and I wanted to make a point about questions. You see, a lot of people always say, oh, there's no such thing as stupid questions, only stupid answers, but sometimes there are stupid questions. It's just that we don't know that they're stupid until we hear the answer, until we learn why they're stupid or silly. And this is why we need to keep asking questions no matter what. And every question, I prepare a selection of questions and answers for you, but you're also gonna have time to ask me a question yourself. And every single one, anyone here would be able to answer. You just need some time to look stuff up. So what is the difference? Why I'm providing you the answer? Simply, well, I'm Italian. The analogy that I thought best was cooking. So anyone can learn how to cook, anyone can make amazing dishes, but sometimes you're just like, you know what, I really just want takeaway. And I'm here to be your takeaway with questions. I love answering questions. I do that as a job. I love doing science communication because people ask me questions most of the time after my talks, and I'm just there with the spotlight, and I need to think in 30 seconds a really good answer while I say, oh, let me drink some water and pretend that I know all these things. And it's sometimes difficult, but it's always fun. And pretty much all my friends, families, people that I barely know on Facebook, they get in touch with me to answer questions. I have an example that happened the other day. This is my friend Jake. He saw this quite uber fact saying there are more stars in the universe, the words that have ever been uttered by all the humans who ever lived. And he just went, Alfredo, fact check. So I just have to go, okay, so how much we know about the universe? We estimate there are about 2 trillion galaxies in the visible universe. We think that the universe is infinite, so obviously if the universe is infinite, that is absolutely correct. But let's go with the visible universe. So 2 trillion stars, and there are about at least 100 billion stars per galaxy. And how many words we ever said? So the average human said 870 million words in a lifetime. There have been 107 billion Homo sapiens that ever walked the earth. So we can estimate something around 900 billion words, which is still just about 5% of the number of stars in the universe. So the uber fact is actually correct, and he was very, very grateful. So let's talk about some cool stuff.